hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I come at you with a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Now, if you guys checked out my recent Louis Vuitton unboxing, you know that I had another item that was on the way, and I can't wait to share this with you. But this video is very special because I actually was able to save money on this item using Shoptagr. So I am super happy to be collaborating with Shoptagr on this video. In case you guys aren't familiar with Shoptagr, they are an app and a Chrome extension that ensures you never miss a sale or a coupon, and I'm going to share that with you today. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see me unbox this little beauty right here and how I saved money, then keep watching. Okay guys, so before I get into this unboxing, I'm going to share with you a quick little story on how I was able to save money using Shoptagr on this little item right here. So when you guys see this, you're going to know the exact item that I have been wanting for so long. But Shoptagr was really awesome because I found this item. It was a really hard to find piece through Fashionfile, and I was able to add this particular item to my dashboard through the Shoptagr app, and in doing so, when this item went on sale, I would get notifications, and this item went on sale, and that's how I was able to snag this at a really good price. So what I'm going to do in this video, first I want to kind of take you through really quickly how Shoptagr works because it's really cool, and I don't want you guys to miss out on all the awesome features. I'm going to kind of take you through it and show you how it works, and then after that we are going to unbox this little beauty right here. So let's go ahead and let me do a quick demonstration on how Shoptagr works. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to shoptagr.com, and when you get to the Shoptagr screen, you're going to see this little blue button right here that says Get Shoptagr, it's free. So we're going to go ahead and click on the button. Okay, at this point, what you want to do is you want to click on Google right here, and we are going to click on Google, and here it's going to say Get the Shoptagr button. So this is the button that sits in your browser, so it'll enable you to save any item from any store. So you're going to click Connect Now. And what you want to do, you want to add this extension to Chrome. So you're just going to click this blue button, Add to Chrome, and add extension. Okay, and now you can see you have successfully installed Shoptagr, and if you want, it will give you a demo, but I am actually going to show you a demo on how it works, but I just want to make sure I first showed you how to install the app. Okay, so this is the Shoptagr home screen right here. I want to share a few things that you can do with Shoptagr that is really great when it comes to shopping and saving money. The first thing that Shoptagr offers is cash back. So for example, let's take Saks Fifth Avenue. They're currently offering 5% cash back. So if you click through this link right here, anything you purchase through Saks Fifth Avenue, you can get 5% cash back, and it will go to your PayPal account. So that is great, and you can search for all the different stores, but we're going to use Saks Fifth Avenue for purposes of this video. Another really cool thing is I'm going to go over to My Items right here, and these are all the items that I have saved recently. These are the ones that I want to be notified whether or not they go on sale. And as you can see, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know I've been hunting down this mini pochette by Louis Vuitton. I have the Chanel Jumbo, and then I want to show you this right here. So this is a Burberry scarf that I saved not too long ago, and you can see Saks Fifth Avenue is not only offering 5% cash back, but in addition, it's on sale. So that is going to really save me money in the event I do want to go for that. And then I have the Gucci powder. So you can see this is really beneficial to save items. And the great thing about it is you can enable the push notifications. So anytime something like this goes on sale or there's any type of a price change, you'll get notified via email. So what I want to do, I want to share with you how I got one of these items onto my dashboard. So let's go to Saks Fifth Avenue for purposes of this video, and we are going to go to handbags because that is my favorite category. And I am going to filter on the designer, and you guys know how much I love Saint Laurent, so let's go ahead and go down to Saint Laurent so I can show you. Okay, Saint Laurent right there. All right, so let's just pick any Saint Laurent bag. Let's go ahead and let's go with this one right here and click on it. It's a pretty camel color bag. So what you can do, let's say I want to save this item for later because I want to see if it's going to go on sale. I can go to this little button right here and I can save it, but it'll notify me when a price change, if it's 25% off, 50% off, and I'm going to go with any price change. And then you can add it to categories that you've created. So I'm going to add it to handbags. And then I'm going to save it. And you will see that when you go back to my Shoptagr home, it magically appears right here. So if there's ever a sale, it's going to tell me. And it is saying that the item is on sale or 5% cash back. So I'm going to go back here and let's say we want to go ahead and we want to buy the bag. So I'm going to add it to the bag, go ahead and check out. And you can see right here, it says, I feel lucky, coupons found 3. So if I click I feel lucky, it's basically going to scan the whole entire site and see what coupons might be applicable to this item. So let's click it. Okay, so now what it's doing is it's testing all of the coupon codes and it's seeing if any of the active codes out there will be applicable to this item. So let's go ahead and see if we can save some money here. Okay, so over here you can see they found a coupon code, this one right here, that is going to save me $300. So essentially I saved 13% on this order. So without Shoptagr it would have been $2,400 and with it would be $2,100. So that is amazing, and you can do that with any of these items. So like I said, it's a really, really great shopping tool. If there's anything that you have your eye on, I'd highly recommend using Shoptagr because it is going to notify you if it goes on sale. Who doesn't love shopping? But who doesn't love shopping and saving money? So I think this is a really, really great tool. So I will be sure to put a link down below. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I would be more than happy to answer. Okay guys, so as you can see, Shoptagr has a lot of really, really cool features. So I will put a link down below. Make sure you sign up so you never miss out on a sale or a coupon code. Now let's get into this beauty right here. We're gonna unbox it. Let's go ahead and let's go behind the camera so you guys can really get an up close and personal view of this right here. So let me go ahead and go behind the camera and I'll be right back. I'm so excited about this. So as I mentioned, I got this from Fashionfile. You guys, I have been searching for this piece forever, trying to find the best deal. And you know that this piece, when you see it, you'll know it's sold out everywhere. So I got it from Fashionfile. It is in new condition. And the neat thing is Fashionfile does come with this little file, which is so cute. I can keep in my purse. So I have all the paperwork here in case I want to return it. But I don't think I'm going to be returning this. And you'll know what I mean when you see it. Okay, so it opens this way. Oh, I can't wait. Okay. Okay, it comes with the Fashionfile dust bag and it also comes with the Louis Vuitton dust bag as well. You guys, I'm so excited for this. I can't wait. And the item that I picked up is, I finally have it. I'm so excited. The Louis Vuitton, oh my God, it's beautiful. This is the mini pochette in the Escale collection. Okay, I know you guys are tired of hearing about this. I have mentioned this in probably every single wish list video. I just love this. I have been trying to get it for the longest time. And you guys know, I mentioned that I had the opportunity to get this piece. I had it in my cart and I thought about it and I was like, oh, I don't know if I need it. And before I knew it, that baby was sold out. And I've been trying to get it ever since. However, it has been so expensive on every pre-loved market. But Fashionfile, I found this new. It was a really good deal. And what happens with Fashionfile, just to kind of give you a little more details as to how I saved money, is If an item is on the website for 30 days and it hasn't sold, then they will decrease the price. And because I had it through Shoptagr, I got notified through Shoptagr that they reduced the price. So I got a really good deal. So let's go ahead and let me show you. This one right here is Louis Vuitton made in France. So it's also a made in France piece. So one thing with Fashionfile, I'll usually keep this on just to make sure I know I'm going to keep it, but it says certificate of authenticity. So it it comes with a dust bag in the box. It shows that it's been inspected, so it guarantees the authenticity. You can see that it has the silver hardware. I love that it has the silver hardware, but wait till you see the interior, you guys. It is the most beautiful. Can you guys see that? It's the most beautiful periwinkle blue that you've ever seen. And oh my gosh, these colors are just to die for. They are so stunning. I love the pastel. And I always joke that if I were a wallet, you guys know I've said this before, if I were a wallet or I were a collection, the Escal collection would be me, because I just love pastel colors. I mean, this blue right here is beautiful. And these little guys are so perfect because you can use them as little keep balls in your purse. You can use them as makeup bags. So let me go ahead. Let's do a quick little what's in my bag just so I can show you what fits. Okay, so I grabbed a couple items just to kind of show you what fits. I have a little YSL compact that I can pop in there. I have a little Dior lip balm that I can pop in there. And then let's see, I have a little card holder that I can put in there. So you can see, you can kind of use it as like a makeup slash small little wallet. And then I also have a couple more lipsticks, but I think if I want to put those in there, I'll have to take this out. Let's take this out. Let's say I just want to use it for lipsticks. I have this pretty Tom Ford lipstick that I can put in there, a little Guerlain lipstick, and then I also have like some perfume. So you can see this is just like a cute little keep all, and then I'll put this back in. Love this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have it in my collection. So I do also own the Monogram as well as the Damier Ebene. Let me grab those as well. Okay, so here are the three that I currently own. I have the Monogram, I have the Damier Ebene, and now I have this little unicorn piece. It is so beautiful. I also think it's going to be perfect for spring, but like I said, this is just a cute little keep all, and I love the interior. It is just, oh, it is to die for. So yeah, a lot of you guessed it right. A lot of you messaged me after you saw my other Louis Vuitton unboxing. You're like, I bet you were able to get that Escal piece. And I'm so happy I was. This is something that I really, really wanted. And it was one of those pieces that I definitely missed out on. So because of that, I wanted to add it back in my collection. And it's just so beautiful. And I think I got such a good deal. So I just cannot wait to use it. It is just so stunning. Okay guys, there you have it. This is my new little cutie. I am so happy to have this in my collection. So let me know down below, were you guys surprised? Did you know this was going to be the piece? It makes me so happy when I look at it. And you know what? That's what these things are all about. You know, with everything going on in the world, you want these little things to make you happy and bring you joy. And every time I look at this, it is certainly going to bring me joy. So I'm really, really happy that I was able to use Shoptagr for this because it notified me of the price change. So make sure to check it out. I will leave the link down below. If you guys have any questions at all about Shoptagr, please feel free to let me know. I think it is a really good, useful app and a good way to save money, especially with the cashback feature. You know, they're going to notify you of coupons, and then they're also going to notify you if there are any changes in the price, which again, that's how I was able to save money on this little bad boy right here. So thanks again to Shoptagr for partnering with me on this video. Thanks again to you guys for watching this video. I was able to get this piece. I'm so excited. I will try to find this piece and link it down below. Again, I purchased this from the Fashionfile website, but I think you can find it like through the Real, and I think there are a lot of people that are selling this item as well, but I will try to find it and link it down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for taking time out of the day to watch. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will see you in my next video.